Rajmohan Unnithan.
Sir, the UN is observing 2019 as the International Year of Indigenous Languages. In this context, I would like to invoke the ULU proclamation made by the UNESCO as Shansha, the People's Republic of China in 2018. It says, the protection and promotion of linguistic diversity helps to improve social inclusion and partnership. It helps to reduce the gender and social inequality between different native speakers, guarantee the rights for native speakers of endangered, minority, indigenous languages as well as non-official languages and dialects to receive education, enhance the social inclusion level and social decision-making ability. I raise here the long-pending aspiration of the minority and non-official linguistic community called Tuluva people. The native speakers of the language Tulu are referred as Tuluva. Tulu is a Dravidian language whose speakers are concentrated in two coastal districts of Karnataka in southwestern India and in the Kasaragod district of Kerala. The Indian Census report of 2001 reported a total of 18,46,427 native Tulu speakers in India. The Tulu speaking people are larger in number compared to Manipuri and Sanskrit, which have the 8th schedule status. So the government should take urgent necessary step to include Tulu language in the 8th schedule of the Constitution. Sir,
मौका दिए इस सिलसिले में मैं बोलने के लिए चाहता हूं इट हैज बीन ओडिशा's long star.
प्रोफेसर साहब
just don't say.
मांग पूरी कर दें.
So Tulu is the currently an official language in India or any other country. Efforts are being made to include Tulu to the 8th schedule of the Constitution. If Tulu was included in the 8th schedule, it would get recognition from the Sahitya Academy. Then it would get Tulu books translated into other recognized Indian language. Members of Parliament and MLAs could ask questions in Tulu in the Parliament and State Assembly respectively. Candidates could write all India competitive examination like civil service examination Tulu. So the government should take urgently necessary steps to include Tulu language in the 8th schedule of the Constitution. That is, thank you.
Sir,